Hello and welcome to a special Glazing 160 video. Today we are previewing a new model that I've been producing using 3D printing. This is the x72500 unit. This is something that's been very special to me. I've been working on it for over 1 year now, and I've produced a chassis for it for the dummy unit end, and it now has a motorized chassis as well. And it has many features on it, including its own specially produced bogies, as well as details for the motor car bogies as well, which are sadly absent in these photos, but will be included in the final kit. There are, as you can see, custom transfers that I've produced as well that go with this model, and they can be included as well. There's several versions I have produced, which I can include to specifications that you desire. The model works on a Mikado Train x72500 chassis, which is requiring a little bit of work. It's a very good, high quality chassis. I think now that some of the mechanical problems have been addressed, it needs a slight trim of the front as it will make it ride slightly too high. As you can see here, it's a sort of triangular wedge shape that is required. I've also produced the intermediate car for the 3-car units, which are commonly seen in some parts of France. This intermediate car will be available soon after the other units are available, and has its own bogies as well, and also an interior. And there is also an interior for the unpowered motor car on the 2-car unit as well. The windows are produced using custom cut vinyl, which can also be circulated with the kit. It rolls very nicely and is a great unit. If you have any questions about it, please leave a comment below.